Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Look at these percentages over here, and clearly the NASDAQ was way ahead of everything else today. Tech is definitely where it's at. So let's do a little tech check. This one is the QQQ. You can definitely trade this as a stock using this ETF. And currently, the average true range on that is, let's just call this 5.79. We'll just round up a bit for easy math. So we're looking at our next target of around 544. If we flip over to the NASDAQ futures, however, that has a much, much, much bigger 269 ATR right here. So we are looking toward 22,672 as a target on that one. Looking real strong. We're not even close to my trend line here from way back in August. We're above the turning line, the standard line, the cloud, the parabolic SAR, everything that matters. So the indication would be more upward direction. As a heads up, Apex Trader Funding has their 80% off sale going on right now. That is active through tomorrow. I know that some of you may have noticed, I certainly have, that they are having less and less sales these days. So if that is something that you want to grab a hold of while it is discounted at 80%, now would be the time to do so. There's a link and coupon code down below. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.